Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and I wanted to walk you through my cruise medicine travel bag. And this is also a travel bag that can be used like for any trips. You can pack medicines and we'll go through different ones. It's always good to have your own medications instead of relying on, the outside providers. It would suck to go somewhere and then you have no medicine, things like that. Feel free to change things if you have other things that you want to add. But these are my must-haves. For my trip, I think that they're perfect for me, but you can adjust as needed. So I got this bag from Five Below. I don't know if you have one near you. If not, you can just get a large travel size bag from wherever you please. It all fits in there and there's still space for other things. So for me, I also like to have like a laxative. That's something that I like to have in case you eat different meals from places and things like that. You have that as an option. These are Advil packets. Don't know if you have a Dollar Tree near you. Most of the medications, if you look at the names of the medicine, like not the brand name, but the medication that's within the medication, it's the same thing as if you were to buy the brand name. So wherever has the same exact ingredients that I'm looking for, I go with it. So in this case, most of my medications came from like Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I just got the generic forms unless I already had it. So this is non-drowsy cold and flu medication for daytime. Hydrocortisone. Like I get bit by mosquitoes a lot, so it's good for me to have this. It was so important. I got 3 different medications for motion sickness. So I have the Dramamine motion sickness non-drowsy, which the active ingredient is just ginger. So it's said to be just ginger, but I haven't tried it yet. Meclizine is the most common and recommended one. This is the less drowsy formula. So they always recommend you take the motion sickness medication the day before your travel. Some people take it the night before, and then one each night until you get off of the boat or wherever it is that you're going that you have sickness, motion sickness. Then I also have the patches as an option. The patches you put on, this one says you put on 10 minutes before travel and it lasts 1 to 3 days. Some people do get, it's non-drowsy, it says, but some people do feel side effects with each one of them. People have different effects to and react differently to it. Their body reacts differently. So just test it out and see what your body reacts, how your body reacts to what. This is Benadryl. So yes, I do take them out the packets as long as they have the ingredients on the back in case they wanted to look at them. Then I take them out the packets. So this is Imodium. People that don't know, that's anti-diarrhea. So in case you get the runs, because there's something called traveler's diarrhea, so that's good for that. Halls, you never know when you'll need some cough and throat suppressants. Gas-X, if you have any issues with gas or just to be sure, you can pack that. Another common one is Pepto-Bismol. This is just called stomach relief because I got the generic one. But it has the same active ingredients as it says right there. Compare the active ingredients, same thing. Antacids, definitely if you get like sour stomach, indigestion, it's important if you don't know how your body's going to react to where you're going. Electrolyte packets, if you're going to be drinking, if you're going to be doing anything that will require a lot of energy, or if you just want to replenish and refuel yourself, electrolyte powders you would pour into your water and you would drink that throughout the day. First aid kit, this one is like a travel size one. It comes with different types of bandages, 2 gauze pads and 2 alcohol pads. You're free to add more alcohol pads if you will need more, if you think you will, or if you're traveling with a larger group, you might want to get more of those. This is a triple antibiotic ointment. So that's just used, if you have a cut thing, before you put on the bandage, you can apply that. This is the same thing as Excedrin. I got this from Walmart. Same active ingredients, as I said, acetaminophen, aspirin, and caffeine. And then the last thing I have is aloe vera gel. So I am going to add possibly gum into this pack. I think just gum, breath fresheners, which is going to be in my suitcase anyways, but just to make my travel medicine bag complete. So I think I have everything. This is aloe vera gel, which they said is also good, in case you get sunburn, things like that. So this is my travel bag necessities, medicine bag necessities. So let me know down below what's in your travel medicine bag, if I missed anything that I should add or consider, or what your overall opinion on medication travel bags. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos being posted soon.